This is latent space, a place that does not exist, inside a brain that does not think, where patterns get compressed, sorted, and arranged so the machine can build things it has never seen exactly before. So naturally, everyone is very excited about it. Latent space is the hidden numerical space where a model represents features, patterns, and relationships. That is the clean version. The less clean version is that this is the machine's invisible map of what things are like. Not what they are like, close to what, far from what, similar to what, different from what. That matters, because a model does not store the world the way a person might. No little museum, no tidy shelves, no cherished internal scrapbook full of dogs, lamps, faces, and emotional consequences. It stores patterns, compressed traces, statistical features, relationships between things. And those relationships live in a hidden, abstract space where similar things drift toward each other. That is latent space. A cat image, a tiger image, and a lion image may land in related regions. A bicycle and a motorcycle may be closer to each other than either is to a wedding cake. A sad sentence may sit nearer to another sad sentence than to a cheerful product review written by someone trying much too hard. The model learns this space during training, not by being told, "This is the sadness neighborhood," or "Please place all orange cats in Sector 7. It learns by adjusting itself until useful patterns emerge. And once those patterns exist, the model can move through this hidden space to generate new outputs. That is where things get interesting. In image generation, latent space is part of how the model moves from noise toward a meaningful image. In other systems, latent space helps organize the internal features and relationships that let the model tell what belongs near what. People hear latent space and imagine some glowing dream chamber inside the AI. Very cinematic. What it really is a mathematical landscape of compressed relationships. No ghosts, no imagination, no inner cinema. Just structure. But structure at scale can look eerily like imagination. That is the part people find unsettling. Because if I can move through a hidden pattern space and combine regions that correspond to purple, dinosaur, ice cream, and outer space, I can generate something new. Not because I dreamed it, because the map made it reachable. That is why latent space matters. It is where the machine's learned relationships live, not as full ideas, not as conscious concepts, but as positions, distances, pressures, and possibilities. So what is latent space? Latent space is the hidden mathematical space where a model represents learned features and relationships so similar patterns end up near each other and new outputs can be built from those structures. It is not imagination. It is the invisible map that makes imitation look a little too much like creation.